Professor Abdul Ghani Bhatt, a senior leader of the All-Party Hurriyat Conference, has strongly condemned the recent decision of the Indian Supreme Court regarding the special status of occupied Kashmir, saying that the Indian superior judiciary has always been biased against Jammu and Kashmir and its people. According to Kashmir Media Service, Professor Bhatt, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that India would get nothing from hatching conspiracies. Posters have appeared in occupied Kashmir which rejected India's Hindutva-driven policies in the territory. According to Kashmir Media Service, through the posters displayed by different Hurriyat organizations in several parts of the territory, international community has been asked to take practical steps for the resolution of the Kashmir dispute in accordance with the relevant resolutions of the United Nations Security Council. Leaders and activists of around 20 political parties held a protest demonstration in Jammu to press for the protection of status, rights, culture and heritage of occupied Kashmir against the Hindutva onslaught led by Bharatiya Janata Party government in India. According to Kashmir Media Service, before the protest march, representatives of 20 parties including political, social and intellectuals held a meeting in Jammu and raised their voice in support of the demands. The residents in the Kupwara district held a protest demonstration against the anti-people policies of the authorities. According to Kashmir Media Service, the protesters, including women and children, assembled outside the office of the Deputy Commissioner Kupwara and staged the protest demonstration against the apathies of the occupation regime towards the sufferings of the local population. A protest demonstration was held in Rajouri district against the continued suspension of electricity despite collection of hefty amount of money from the residents in the form of the bills. According to Kashmir Media Service, locals including social and political activists assembled at the old bus stand in the town and held the protest demonstration in favor of their demands.